Hi everybody, it's Ginger, and I want to talk to you today about cycles, because I think there's this idea in this culture that everything is linear, right? You start and then you get to the point where you end and you're done. And the reality is we're never done, and we're never really truly beginning either. We're always just somewhere in the middle of a cycle. And I heard this in relationship to laundry, and I loved it because, we have this thing, oh, I gotta do my laundry, I have to get it all done. But the truth is, you're wearing clothes, and there are clothes in your closet that are folded, and there are clothes that are in the hamper, and there are clothes that maybe are in the machine, and then there are things that are, packed away for other times. Your laundry is just a cycle, it never ends, and you're never gonna be done. And you're never really behind. You're just somewhere in that cycle. And that same thing applies to your life and your business and your health and your way you understand yourself. You're just somewhere in the cycle. There's no end point. So you're not behind, and there's not really anywhere to go to finish. There is just where you are. And the more you lean in and accept that, you can enjoy the part of the cycle you're in and gain the richness from that part, and let go of the idea that there's somewhere else to be where it's all fixed and done and put away. You're okay right where you are.